Good morning, students. This is Abjeet. I welcome you in part 2 of chapter Agriculture. Students, today you will learn about geographical conditions required for different types of crops. Let's start with rice. On your fair notebook, you can make this type of pattern. It will be easy for you to write information about different crops. Rice. First, rainfall. Rice needed abundant rainfall, means more than 100 centimeter. Rice needed rainfall more than 100 centimeter. It can grow in areas with less rainfall but with assured irrigation. Rice can be grown in the areas where rainfall is more than 100 centimeter, but it can be grown even in those areas where proper irrigational facilities are available. Temperature. It is a kharif crop. Which are the kharif crops? The crops which are grown in the month of June, July. They are known as kharif crops. It is a kharif crops which require high temperature and high humidity. It needed temperature of 25 degrees Celsius with minor variation during the sowing, growing and harvesting season. Temperature required for rice is 25 degrees Celsius. Soil. It can be grown in variety of soils like silt, loam, gravels. Silt, loam, gravels. But the soil which is found within the river valleys, deltas of rivers and coastal plains is best. Means it can be grown in a variety of soil having silt, loam, gravels, but it is grown best in alluvial soil. Means alluvial soil is best for it. And the areas of production. Rice is cultivated in almost all parts of India, but its cultivation is concentrated in the river valleys and deltas. The major rice producing states are West Bengal. You know that in West Bengal, three crops of rice are grown. They are Oz, Aman and Boro. Rice is grown in West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Punjab, Odisha, Karnataka. After rice, next crop is wheat. Rainfall required for wheat is 50 to 75 centimeter. 50 to 75 centimeter. Rainfall is necessary and beneficial 15 days after sowing and 15 days before ripening. Means when wheat crop is grown, after sowing wheat crop, if there is rainfall after 15 days, then it's very good, and 15 days before ripening. This helps in bumper harvest. Temperature. It needed temperature from 15 to 20 degrees Celsius. 15 to 20 degrees Celsius. And light domer soil is required for it. Light domer soil is required for it. Which are the major producers? Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh. Wheat, a rabi crop, needed cool growing season and a bright sunshine at the time of ripening. Requires rainfall 50 to 75 centimeter. Temperature 15 to 20 degrees Celsius. Light domer soil is suitable for growing wheat and mainly grown in the areas of Punjab, Haryana, UP and MP. After it, millets. Jowar, bajra and ragi are the important millets grown in India. Which are the important millets? Jawar, bajra and ragi. Jawar, bajra and ragi. They are also known as coarse grains. They have very high nutritional value. Jawar needed warm and dry climate. It required rainfall near about 45 centimeter and temperature 25 to 30 degrees Celsius. It grows well in sandy and shallow black soil. While jawar and ragi, they needed moderate rainfall. Millets require rainfall of about 50 to 75 centimeter. Bajra needed less rainfall, near about 45 centimeter, while jawar and ragi, they needed more rainfall, but I'm telling you average near about 50 to 75 centimeter. And temperature required for millets is about 25 degrees Celsius and grows in sandy, shallow black soil. These three crops, jawar, bajra and ragi, are also known as coarse grains. Ragi is very rich in iron, calcium and other micronutrients. Jawar is the third most important food crop with respect to area and production. Major jawar producing states are Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. Yes. Jawar, bajra are mainly grown in the areas of Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, UP, Gujarat, Haryana. After it, maize. Maize needed rainfall from 50 to 100 centimeter. 50 to 100 centimeter. It grows well under temperature between 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius and require well-drained alluvial fertile soil. Well-drained alluvial fertile soil or red loams free from coarse material. Yes, it grows well in well-drained alluvial soil or the soil red loams free from coarse material. The major producers are Karnataka, UP, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh. After maize, pulses. Pulses needed rainfall of 50 to 75 centimeter. Pulses grow in dry regions. They can grow in dry regions but grow well in the areas which receive rainfall from 50 to 75 centimeter. They needed less moisture and survive even in dry conditions. Temperature required for pulses is 25 degree to 30 degrees Celsius. And it can be grown in all types of soil. But dry light soil is very good for growing pulses. In which areas pulses are grown? MP, Madhya Pradesh, UP, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Karnataka. These states are the major producers of pulses. After pulses, next crop, food crops other than grains. Yes, you have learned about these five grain crops: rice, wheat, millets, maize, pulses. Now, food crops other than grains, which are sugarcane. Sugarcane. Sugarcane needed rainfall from 75 to 100 centimeter, and it grows well in hot and humid climate, having temperature between 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. Irrigation is required in the regions of low rainfall. It can be grown on a variety of soils and needs manual labor from sowing to harvesting. Manual labor means it needed more work by man rather than of machines. India is the second largest producer of sugarcane only after Brazil, and it is used for making sugar, jaggery, khansari, and molasses. Sugarcane can be grown on a variety of soils. Well-drained alluvial soil is suitable for it. It can also be grown in black soil, loamy soil, and soil having reddish loam. This crop exhausts the fertility of the soil, hence there is need of manure to ensure high yield. And the major producing areas of sugarcane are UP is the largest producer of sugarcane. Other than UP, Bihar, Haryana, and Punjab are the producer of sugarcane. After sugarcane, tea. Tea is a major beverage crop. It was introduced in India initially by the British, and today most of the tea plantations are owned by Indians. Tea plant grows well in tropical and subtropical climates. It requires an annual rainfall of about 150 to 300 centimeter. Temperature required for it is 20 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. And soil, the plant requires a light loamy soil. In which areas it is grown? Assam, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala. The tea plant grows well in tropical and subtropical climates. Endowed with deep and fertile, well-drained soil rich in humus and organic matter. Loamy soil having much humus and organic matter. Tea bushes require warm and moist-free climate all through the year. Which type of climate is needed? Warm and moist-free. Frequent showers evenly distributed over the year ensure continued growth of tender leaves. Tea is labor-intensive industry. It requires much skilled labor. Major tea producing states are Assam, hills of Darjeeling, and Jalpaiguri districts in West Bengal. Assam, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala. Apart from these, it is also grown in Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Meghalaya, Andhra Pradesh, and Tripura. After tea, coffee. Coffee needed rainfall from 150 to 200 centimeter. Temperature required for it 15 degrees Celsius to 28 degrees Celsius, and plant requires red and laterite soil. Red and laterite soil. The major producers: Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and Karnataka. The Arabica variety, initially brought from Yemen, is produced in the country. This variety is in great demand all over the world. Initially meaning at starting, its cultivation was introduced in the Baba Budan Hills, and even today its cultivation is confined to Nilgiri Hills in Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu. Where are Baba Budan Hills? In Karnataka. It is tropical as well as a subtropical crop. For today, only this much. You have to write these on your notebook. Thank you.